That was Prakhar Gupta for you guys. Anything else you would like to say?
तुम दोनों गांडू छक्के हो
सुन, मुझे ओकस बोलता आज तो होगा मेरा थेरेपी. प्रखर को बिठाऊंगा और सवाल पूछूंगा फ्री में.
बेचारी सुकृति पॉडकास्ट करने आई थी, पूरे पॉडकास्ट में ऐसे कह रही है मेरा तो थेरेपी
देख रही है.
So I'm not fun at parties.
मैंने तो यही बोला था. This is the two things I was when he asked me कि क्या पूछना है, क्या कोई टॉपिक सोचा, तो मैंने बोला देख बेटा वाइब होगी, दो चीजें जाननी है हमें. ठीक है, एक तो प्रखर भैया अभी पैसे कितने कमा रहे हैं, कहाँ से कमा रहे हैं और कितना बढ़िया तरीके से पैसा फ्लो.
मैं हक रहा हूँ तो सोने की टट्टी निकल रही है इस पॉइंट पे. Bro, मेरे को somebody had given me an advice very early on. The guy who runs Scoop Whoop, Satvik, he told me, कहता है bro, content बनाना
PG रेडियो पे तेरे पॉडकास्ट भी है उसके साथ.
हाँ, तो तभी when I had gone to meet him, I think podcast पे बोला था कि अलग से, कहता है bro, content बनाना is easy and content बना के लोग इकट्ठा करना is easy. To monetize content is very difficult. To run a business that's sustainable on content is very difficult. So I started building a business in my head starting then. That's where Prakhar के प्रवचन happened. That was after I met Satvik. समझ रहा है? Then I knew there has to be a commercial angle to this or I won't get to do this for long enough. In fact, अब मेरा प्लान ये है कि मैं लॉन्ग रन में, मीडियम रन में, कि मैं यहाँ से पैसे ना कमा रहा हूँ, क्योंकि जब तक मैं यहाँ से पैसे कमाऊंगा I'll have ulterior motives to say or not say something. Once my money is coming from somewhere else, I can fuck everybody off. I can be like, तुम सब भाड़ में जाओ, I don't care. So the next step is to transition it away from this. फिलहाल I'm trying to make sustainable money using this and it's turning out very well. I'm not sure if I'm riding a high wave or if it's because how do you say, people have just not explored the potential of what they can do with their content.
No. The thing is, this is the good and the bad of your current channel. I don't know how you will evolve from this.
First hear him out on what his streams of income are before you even go to that, because you don't know what his streams of income are, right? Like I think
how much do you wanna reveal it?
No,
and let us know.
I
if
mean,
you want.
I don't think he's comfortable revealing it. I don't.
It's out in the open. I do Avalon. I do courses.
Right, he does Avalon and he does courses.
YouTube
He does a
revenue,
mentorship program.
whatever YouTube revenue, अभी तो कुछ भी नहीं है, ads है बस. But I'm going to diversify very quickly. Workshops. I have a few more courses I'm building. I'll be doing Meta more aggressively, I think. So there is a lot of things in the pipeline that might do very well for me.
Right now, like we talked in Prakhar ke pravachan ka stream that we had.
Right.
And I told you, this is your advertisement. Your YouTube is your advertisement. And वो तुम बेंच पे जो बिठाओगे 60-70 को, वो तुम्हारा मेन रहेगा. ठीक है, तो अभी ये तुम्हारा एडवर्टाइजमेंट है और जो तुम्हारा एवलॉन मेटा कोर्सेस है वो अभी हम पकड़ के चलते हैं जो तुम्हारा मेन. ठीक है, अब द थिंग इज ना, यहाँ पे अब देखो, मैं तुम्हारा चैनल फॉलो करता हूँ, लेट्स से 50-50. हर चौथी वीडियो देखी जाएगी. हर स्ट्रीम नहीं ज्वाइन कर सकता क्योंकि भाई इतना समय नहीं है, पर वीडियो देखते हैं और बढ़िया मजा आता है. अब द प्रॉब्लम कम्स फ्रॉम there is very smart audience that you have, very smart, great, love them. There is another part of your audience that I don't know if you realize or not, is which would be the nice thing to say so that these motherfuckers don't get offended. The pseudo intellectuals,
They like me because I'm a token.
Yes, correct. What will happen is, abhi धीमे धीमे you will get in this stuck in this cycle of there is a, so audience evolves and you evolve with the audience. New audience comes and now there is this imbalance between your audiences. There's an audience who wants to evolve with you. So okay, so you started चूतिया smart बढ़िया, क्या बात है, ओहो क्या बात. Now जब ये smart हो रहा है, इसमें बीच में audience आएगी, तो you'll be like okay, you know what, थोड़ा चूतिया से वापस शुरू करते हैं, smart. And then फिर से आ जाएगी, फिर like
और उस process में lose the smart ones.
Yeah, and now you will have this, you will be constantly stuck in this chutiya. You know what I'm saying? And now what will happen is these people who were your karta, like yes, they'll be like, यार प्रखर ये सब तो मुझे पता है, like man, I kind of know what you're talking about, and maybe here I don't maybe प्रखर I don't agree. Oh यार प्रखर, यार अब नहीं पसंद, यार प्रखर अबे छोड़.
Whoever is ready to graduate out of प्रखर के प्रवचन can go find PG Radio. It's a massive funnel.
That is a very
It's a massive funnel.
yeah.
Bro.
That is a very good idea. You have PG radio.
Right. And it's not just that.
But
it's
what
not
will
just that, bro. Like I don't know. I can play no character. I cannot do that shit. अगर मेरे को लग रहा है मैं बोर हो रहा हूँ, मेरे को उबासी आ रही है अपने पॉडकास्ट में, तो भाड़ में जाओ. तो वो थ्रेशोल्ड तो कभी क्रॉस होगा ही नहीं. मेरे को पता है मैंने ये सिंप्लीफाई कैसे किया है.
Yeah, he already told about this ना कि he's already dumbing down his content a lot. So and I don't think he's gonna dumb it down any longer.
Simplify. In fact, पता है that dumbing down my view has changed on that. I have come to understand. अगर मैं एक सेंटेंस में वो बात कर सकूं जिसमें मेरे को 4 किताबें पढ़नी पड़ी थी, तो उससे बढ़िया बात क्या है. So अब तो मैं अब I'm safely in a place where I've learned how to articulate myself very pointedly. I'm almost unafraid. तभी तो I went तभी तो मैंने I've let all these shots loose जहाँ पे भी जिस पे भी लोगों पे, because I know what I'm doing, what I'm standing for. I'm unafraid on my territory. और मेरे को पता है this is not, तो it might be that ऐसा कुछ होता है, but like मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगा. I won't be able to make it simpler for anybody else. And here's the deal ना, I don't want to grow on YouTube, bro. That's not my deal.
Right.
I want to get my money. I want to make my financial sources safe and secure so I can think. Right now I'm thinking out loud on YouTube. कभी मैं किताब लिखना शुरू कर दूंगा. I'll do there is infinite options if you can think well. I'll work for a consultants company or whatever bullshit. I'll work for a think tank. I don't care. I'm super flexible like that. I'd like to live this life because this life is my own. I don't have to wake up for somebody else's shit.
He's not after the play button. Even though he wouldn't mind it, but he's not after the play button.
Bro, the play button is going to be here in like a few months. अब क्या रह गया? तो पहला वाला तो आ ही जाएगा हैं. एंड यार मैं बता रहा हूँ ना, the hollowness is very clear between 10,000 and 40,000. It feels no different.
Right.
It feels no different.
But also,
कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
Prakhar, don't you think it feels no different for you because you have grown so fast? So fast.
नहीं bro, it doesn't take. If you put in the effort, you have effort, and then effort creates worth, and then worth creates identity. ठीक है? But I'm putting that effort in. I'm putting that effort in a compressed amount of time, going super hard at shit. मेरे लिए it's not 40,000 people, क्योंकि वेदांत के 110 हैं. अगर वेदांत जितने हो जाएंगे तो श्वेताब के 1 मिलियन है. अगर श्वेताब जितने हो जाएंगे तो कैरी के 25 मिलियन है. ये रेस तो अनअवॉइडेबल है. और मेरे को अंदर से फील होना नहीं कुछ डिफरेंट. मेरे को अंदर से कुछ डिफरेंट नहीं फील होना किसी के अप्रूवल से. मेरे को पता है मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ. मेरे को फील होगा बेटर व्हेन आई एम थिंकिंग अबाउट बेटर प्रॉब्लम्स. सो माई फाइट विद प्रखर के प्रवचन इज टू नॉट गेट बोर्ड विद इट. You see, like I just have to think about newer problems. कितनी बार मैं NoFap के बारे में बात करूंगा, मैं गोली मार दूंगा किसी ने NoFap पूछा है तो. So मैं तो
किसी ने NoFap के बारे में पूछा, किसी ने NoFap के बारे में साले पाओ अब हिला के दिखा.
But तो मैं तो bro उस मामले में I'm very comfortably placed, and I don't know what it looks like once I'm back at Columbia. I have zero idea. I've thought about it. I've tried thinking about it. I don't know.
It's good.
तो मैं शायद
It's good that you don't think
शायद नहीं करूँ क्योंकि ब्रो मेरे को पता है शुरू में पता था अगर मैं ये वाली गेम खेलने लग गया ना YouTube वाली, बहुत जल्दी मेरा दिमाग मेरे को बेवकूफ़ बना के मेरी सेल्फ वर्थ इन चीज़ों से अटैच कर देगा. फिर मैं वो इंडिपेंडेंस लूज कर दूंगा जिसके लिए मैं फाइट कर रहा हूँ.
Are you in the slightest worried about कि अब तो कोलंबिया जब जाएगा and then you'll have a massive audience, a fan following of your own. What about the fans? क्या होगा?
What about them?
Like they will be like, अरे YouTube मत छोड़ना, this that please.
तो नहीं छोड़ेंगे, थोड़ा बहुत करते रहेंगे अगर टाइम हुआ. अगर नहीं हुआ तो कुछ और. समझ रहा है? इतना टाइम तो नहीं होगा. मैं आया इसलिए हूँ जितना टाइम दे सकूँ.
हाँ. तुम तो रेलेवेंसी के पीछे भाग भी नहीं रहे हो ना.
इतनी नहीं चाहिए मेरे को.
रेलेवेंसी से पंगा ही नहीं है ना.
इतनी कोई रेलेवेंस का सीन है ही नहीं मेरा. मेरे को आई वांट टू लाइक यार व्हाट एक्साइट्स मी इज नेक्स्ट इज स्कूबा डाइविंग. I know that. I want to go scuba. I'm going to go to Andaman. I'm going to do scuba. And it's not because scuba is fancy or any of that. I just want to see what it feels like. This is my next thing, right? तो मेरे को तो ये करना है. मेरे को तो अपना next thing chase करना है life में overall. Famous होना तो bro is an obstruction to that. समझ रहा है? जैसे अब like I started having people asking my friends for my number and all of that. I don't want that. मैं अब वो खुल के नहीं बोल सकता क्योंकि लोग उसको किस तरीके से ले लेंगे.
अरे बोल
समझ रहा है? अरे I'm just giving you an example. क्योंकि अगर मैं ओपनली ये बोलना चाहता हूँ इस्लाम में प्रॉब्लम है फॉर व्हाट हैपेंस इन फ्रांस एंड वियना, देन देयर इज अ पर्टिकुलर, और फिर मैं उसके बाद बोलता हूँ और तुम सुन लो जब यहाँ पे अग्रिमा जोशुआ फलाना करती है तो तुम तोड़ने जाते हो, वो गलत है. तो नाउ देयर इज अ कॉस्ट टू व्हाट आई एम सेइंग. Right? And in only I don't give the grander shit. I don't give. That's the independence I want, to be able to say what I want. तो वो I'm not too worried about it. Plus, you cannot plan for that future, bro.
Prakhar is gonna leave India just like Dhruv Rathi and he's gonna continue saying
फिर
whatever
मैं
he
अपनी
wants to
गोरी
say.
गर्लफ्रेंड को बनाऊंगा इन्फ्लुएंसर इंडिया में.
That is what he's gonna do.
big market, big boy market.
हाँ?
Gory girlfriend is big boy market. You can make hell of fucking money from.
That
What
is
are
so
you saying?
weird, bro.
Okas, what are you
Bro,
saying?
do you know how? Oh man, क्या बंदे सिंप करेंगे बंटाए. ओ भाई, क्या पैसा कमा सकते तुम उसमें से. वीडियोस में लाओ 27 मिनट की वीडियो डालो 6-8 ऐड स्टार्टिंग के 10 मिनट में रप्पा रप बनता है.
He's talking like a businessman.
Bro, तू समझ रहा है?
मर्च बेचो.
ओकस तू समझ रहा है? अगर मेरे को फेमस होना है ना, तो मैं 5 हॉट लड़कियों के साथ न्यूयॉर्क में वीडियोस डालना शुरू कर दूं अपने व्लॉग, फेमस हो जाऊंगा.
Prakhar Bilzerian, let's go.
I'm just giving you an example. Like if that brings people, I'm saying like fame is not too far. खरीद के कर दूंगा अगर मैं लूजर हूं तो. समझ रहा है? वो क्या है? करते नहीं है लोग अभी भी गाड़ियां, लड़कियां, this that.
रेंट करते ही है. और क्या? वो तो बहुत करते हैं. हमारे भी हैं यहाँ पे कुछ 15 मिलियन पे हैं, पर ठीक.
अच्छा कौन करता है ऐसा बताइए.
Prakhar जानबूझ के पूछ रहा है.
भाई कुछ दाढ़ी वाड़ी मुच्छी उच्छी हमको बोले थे.
Okas, please, this is person behind the
जो
person. You have to
बोलता
take shots.
हूँ.
This is not Vedant Rashi's podcast. Please just take shots immediately.
Yo,
Call
what's
names
up?
right
Yo,
now.
technical Guruji, what's up, man? I know you be calling my shit that like I don't talk. You be say like that मैं गांड से बात करता हूँ, but it's all right. You know, man, it's okay. You gotta earn money
For sure.
from unethical places. It's okay.
For sure, man.
Come on.
If you know how to talk to people, and that just does not mean manipulate them, dominate them, push them. If you learn the human science of communication properly, you can get magical stuff done. And I don't care if somebody notices, but Prakhar ke Pravachan and PG Radio are an example of that.
Yeah.
Right? It's because there is a group of people tied to the vision. There's a group of people tied to the value. There's a group of people that sees that I take blame for them.
Yeah.
There's a group of people happy with me. And I know what they want. And I'm providing them. Okay? And it also means being hard on them. It also means leading them properly.
Yeah.
It also means making your calls and whatnot. But that is what it is. I had no expenses, bro. Up until 2 or 3 months ago, I had no expenses. And it was like an 8-9 people team, all decentralized across India.
8-9?
I still think I have 9 people.
Right now, how many people in 9 people?
9 people.
Interesting. Well, yeah, that's the plan right now. That I'm trying to have my own team for this fucking channel that I have. Not the channel, but like the whole system that I'm going about.
Because bro, अगर तू अपने आप को clerical से free करेगा तो creative आएगा ना दिमाग में. तो मैं तो ये clerical काम करता ही नहीं. I just make appearances. I do business development. I deal with people, right? I make big shots and I leave, and then it's for them to do.
Yeah.
And they're all independent operators. They do very well, all of them. मेरा thumbnail वाला बंदा देखा है? क्या बाप thumbnail बनाता है bro? मेरा म्यूजिक वाला बंदा देखा है? क्या बाप म्यूजिक बनाता है ब्रो? लाइक तू लेयर समझ रहा है? एक बंदा ढूंढा है. मेरा एक एडिटर फरीदाबाद में और एक म्यूजिक वाला बंदा फरीदाबाद में, और उसके अलावा कोई नहीं. बाकी सब दुनिया भर में. पता नहीं कहाँ.
म्यूजिक एज इन सो लाइक द बैकग्राउंड म्यूजिक.
तूने मेरे ऑडियो वो सुने एसेज प्रवचन जो मैं देता हूँ, जो एक सेमी रैप सेमी फिलॉसफी होती है कि भाई मतलब कि बिल्कुल केंड्रिक भी कहता है प्रखर क्या हाल है.
हाँ, इसीलिए you use a lot of anime in that. And I'm like, oh wow.
There's like a lot of editing involved with that. But उसके लिए अलग editor है.
You are not involved as much in the editing process?
No, zero. I'd never edit. I have no idea how to. Like I know how to edit, but I just won't do that. Not my thing. I've only edited 3 pieces of content I've ever made, which were my vlogs. That's it.
And you never like
editor then.
You don't even curate it. Like tell him कि ये change. Nothing. You give him full freedom.
अब तो processes बन गए ना bro. We processes established. Processes written out. तो एक operations है. I have a guy who's like my right hand man. He does operations. So he said processes are reproduced.
Right.
तो तू समझ रहा है? The difference is I play on an industrial level. तो मेरे लिए this growth is not even that much because I'm doing it industrial. हाँ.
Right. You're focusing only on what you are best at and delegating the rest.
Of course, bro. This is what everybody should be doing. Oh my God, that's the most obvious truth ever.
Yeah. बिल्कुल
okay.
on point बोला.
About that, Prakhar, see, the thing is, yes, you're right. That is what everybody should be doing. And Okas, मैं थोड़ी I do it to certain extent with my gameplay channel. But the thing is, Prakhar, not everybody can communicate that way, right? To get that team, how do you go about
तेरे को
doing
क्या
that?
लगता है? When I was not born a team player. Like मैंने भी सीखा है. I made several mistakes on the journey. I would tell Vinamra this all the time. I'd be like, bro, invest in a team, invest in a team, invest in a team. The hiccup is I don't make no money from this. How do I pay for this shit?
Right.
इसलिए तुम business कर रहे हो.
इन्वेस्ट
शुरू में तो तुम इन्वेस्ट करोगे और अगर तुम्हें 50,000 रुपए महीना 20,000 रुपए महीना में तुम्हारा बिजनेस खड़ा हो रहा है, इससे अच्छी क्या तेरे को सीड फंडिंग चाहिए? कुछ भी नहीं है ये.
बहन जो तुम्हारी ऑडियंस फंड कर देगी यार.
हाँ, like after the
not that
always
hard to-
हाँ, that is true. You get to like
had that
15-20,000 and your audience.
I'll tell you where. See, there is a luck factor to your thing. Okay, definitely you are like the luck factor is थोड़ा छोटा, but maybe जो भी line up हुआ है जिससे तुम इस बंदे के contact में आ गए, क्योंकि हम तुम्हें बताते हैं understanding the dynamics of someone else's content when it comes down to like editing is. It's like अगर तुम्हें ऐसा बंदा मिल गया who understands your dynamics.
Focus मेरे को उस पे I desire no creative control on my edits. I don't care what my edits look like.
His focus is not that. His
That's
focus
the
is कि
thing.
क्या बोल रहा है वो.
Precisely.
No, okay. So the moment you give somebody else the creative freedom, right, it can go either extremely wrong or extremely right.
तो हम basic amount of check operate करते हैं उस पे. पर मेरी एडिटिंग इज नॉट हैवी. इट्स जस्ट कि कहीं पे सेंटेंसेस आ गए नीचे, ठीक है, कहीं पे कट्स आ गए अगर कट डलने, और कुछ है ही नहीं मेरी एडिटिंग में. मेरा काम ही कॉम्प्लिकेटेड नहीं है. आई एम नॉट अ यूट्यूबर, आई एम अ स्पीकर ऑन यूट्यूब.
Okas, I understand why you asked. Okas, I understand why you asked that question also. तेरी जो essays होती है ना, his essays, your essays are not even like anywhere in like the front lines of what Prakhar's content is. ठीक है, तू you focus a lot on aesthetics, right? He doesn't care. He is more focused on what I'm saying,
dumb with
because that is what's
I'm
gonna stay.
dumb with that. I have a vibe. That's all I have. I'm dumb
right.
with that shit. I know if you gave it to me, it would take me so many hours. उसमें मैं कुछ नया बना दूंगा भाई. I'm dumb with that shit, and I know that. So I play to my strengths. I'm great with words.
Yeah.
I'll play to that. I found an editor, bro. कितनी लंबी सर्च लगी मेरे को वो एडिटर ढूंढने के लिए जो प्रॉपरली मेरे ऑडियो एसेस एग्जीक्यूट कर सकता था. अब मैं आंखें बंद करके उसे सामान देता हूँ. एंड आई नो, और उस पर इतने व्यूज भी नहीं आते, बट ब्रो दैट शिट इज समथिंग आई लव डूइंग. दैट्स प्योर पोएट्री ब्रो. आई ब्लडी लव डूइंग दैट. तो तू समझ रहा है. एंड उसमें मेरी इन्वॉल्वमेंट इज नथिंग. द एडिटर एंड द म्यूजिक आई हैव टू पुट मोस्ट ऑफ द एफर्ट. दैट इज फ्रैंकली द केस. आई मीन विदाउट द वर्ड्स देयर इज नो म्यूजिक, एंड विदाउट म्यूजिक देयर इज नो एडिट. बट you see what I mean?
How old is your editor?
I'm not even sure. 22.
Acha, so he's old.
Maybe
That's the thing, right?
maybe younger than that. Ek editor is probably 17. One guy is 23. Then there is another guy. He's probably 19 or 20. So it's all, everybody's younger than me. They're all under 24.
Focus. He's right. He's right, because पता है, at a grander level, if you look at the top, वो तो he's not even doing it for the sake of YouTube, ठीक है? Tanmay Bhatt is delegating everything, yaar. He's literally delegating every single bit of his content.
Tanmay Bhatt is a wrong example. I'll give you a better one. Mr. Beast.
हाँ.
Literally everything is delegating. He comes up with the idea, okay? He comes up with the idea and the execution. Everything else, fuck off. Not the thumbnail. Doesn't cook. Doesn't fucking wash his clothes. Doesn't do anything. Nothing else he does. Like literally, I was watching his podcast. Like, I don't. He says that you will think that I'm a spoiled brat. I don't think that way. I will only do what I fucking enjoy. Everything else, I'm paying somebody else to do it. I'm outsourcing day in and day night. And he has like fucking 11-12 people team. Has a fucking warehouse that people वो golf cart में घूमते हैं ना, one place to दूसरे place पे जाने के लिए. And this guy is the upcoming YouTube billionaire. And that's what everybody says it. If there's gonna be a YouTube billionaire, there's a millionaire. Now if there's gonna be a YouTube billionaire, it's gonna be Mr. Beast. Because the fucking ideas that kid comes with is like, it's insane. And 5 years, not 5 years ago, around 2-3 years ago, I saw Twitter पे this thread. Like when YouTubers were making mad money. This was around Ninja and Drake happened. Do you know Ninja and Drake?
I know Ninja. I don't know.
Yeah,
Drake.
so Ninja is basically the streamer.
The streamer, game streamer.
Drake is the
right.
musician. Drake
Ninja,
musician. You
Achha,
don't know the
musician.
musician.
Drake
Ninja,
musician, ठीक है.
yeah,
So they played together.
Ninja got Drake to play Fortnite with him in his streams.
Yeah, nice. And that was his big thing, and then they blew up. And at that time, Ninja was making mad money. He still is. He's making more money. But at that time, YouTubers making money was a big conversation around the internet space. Okay, and there were millionaires who were making more money. Like Ninja was at that time fucking. He's still making like $100 million deals. He's signing. Okay, so. This happened where I saw this tweet by somebody who was, I don't remember, but he was some good guy. Okay, and he said that आने वाले 5 साल में there will be a YouTube billionaire, and the shift that I'm seeing is it's very possible that Jimmy, or Jeffree Star or James Charles, these people who fucking... Jimmy's big thing is he plays around a lot, Jimmy being Mr. Beast, he plays around a lot with money, but his big thing is the way he can make money is software. So he launches these plaything apps. Okay, he does game shows on apps. He develops a fucking app and he fucking gets like 1 million, 2 million people to download it. Right? A matter of first 1 day.
And then
Given the PewDiePie example,
Deletes the app. Nobody else will do it. Fucking deletes the app. We'll come back with something else.
And then how does he make that money?
So-
Ads pay.
So
App pay.
right, yeah, and he says, imagine and now I'm not even doing it that much. Imagine the fucking things I can do. I can play fucking movie trailers. I can sign with people with movies who coming, and I can be like, he has this thing where you need to keep the finger on the app for X amount of time.
Right.
2 day, 3 day, 4 day, 5 day, 6 day. You need to keep there. Whoever picks the finger last wins fucking $1 million.
That's wild.
$1 million you'll get. Okay, now he's playing. She's like, okay, so imagine now what I can do. Movie trailer, 3 minute ka. Okay, here it'll come a pop up. You can keep your finger out for 3 minutes. People will be more incentivized to watch the ads because they're getting the rest, right? So imagine the level I can do this on. And Naval, right?
Of course.
I saw one of his things.
Course.
He said that if you want to be fucking rich, you need to get into software because that's the future.
For sure. Ties back to code.
Yeah, ties back to code, definitely full circle.
Right, but मतलब ये industrialized YouTubing is a new thing, bro. Like at least as far as India is concerned. समझ रहा है team लेके पूरा to like a mechanic, you go at it. It becomes it's a different thing. It was a more personal, creative profession for a while.
what do we lose?
I've noticed.
My question
What
is,
do
what
you
do we
lose in
lose?
this
Yeah, so I've noticed
Focus. What are you
nothing
asking?
we lose. You need. Okay, so
Sub
what
bolo
I have noticed, I'm not asking, I'm saying, what I've noticed is in YouTube, there is these trends, and then next time there is an total opposite trend. When YouTube started, it was very personal. Okay, like one guy doing everything, and that was the shtick. That's why people attracted to it. And then the companies got involved, and
BuzzFeed,
when
Scoop
they
Food.
did, they were, yeah. And even YouTubers were corporate YouTubers. There are corporate YouTubers, Dobre Brothers, and these motherfuckers, right?
Right.
So when this started, this culture of corporate YouTubers or team YouTubers or people who had like teams working for them,
Right.
I think Ray William Johnson was the first one who started it.
Equals 3.
Equals 3.
That's the only YouTube
he was the
channel I
first
saw
YouTube
until I
millionaire.
started doing YouTube again.
Yeah,
Like, so much.
So he was the first YouTube millionaire. He was the first who got this industrialized space. But he got so much shit for it, and like they took this factor of personal, like one guy does everything, right? Not only, now it's exactly opposite. If you want to make it on YouTube, you motherfucker, you better have a team ready for yourself because you gotta be
it's
because
competition.
एग्जैक्टली दैट्स व्हाट आई वाज अबाउट टू से. तुम मुंह से सब निकाल लिए. तुम्हारी बेटा कंपटीशन है वीडियोस में, तुम compete कर रहे हो, तुम कुछ भी बोल लो नहीं है क्रिएट दिस फॉर माई सेल्फ माँ चुदा ले व्यूज. बेटा तुम्हारे कंपटीशन में तुम्हारे आजू बाजू ना 10 और वीडियोस हैं तुम्हारी वीडियो के बाजू में जिनका बेटर टाइटल, बेटर थंबनेल, बेटर टॉपिक, बेटर आइडिया, बेटर कमेंट्री, बेटर कॉमेडियन, सब बेटर. बेटा पकड़ के रखो अपनी ऑडियंस को. और पकड़ोगे कैसे? बी द बेस्ट at what you are and fucking like get other, if you like other things, pick people who can be best. और बहनचोद या तो तुम इतने talented बन जाओ कि तुम सब में ही बेस्ट हो. बन जाओ डोनाल्ड ग्रोवर कांड में दम है तो. Or either you were lucky and you made it when like YouTube was a new thing, or you were like you were PewDiePie. Fucking that guy he sits and he talks and he gets 5 million views. That's insane.
No,
Mr. Beast has to pay like fucking.
I think there's not a luck factor. PewDiePie has his own charm. Like you have your own, and Prakhar definitely has his own charm. When you look at him in his life.
I'll tell you what he has. I'll tell you right now what he has. He has, ये है उसका. बेटा उसने ना बच्चों को उठाया स्टार्टिंग में, एंड इट्स नॉट लाइक उसने जानबूझ के किया, वो सबकॉन्शियसली जो भी है उसने बच्चों को उठाया. गेम प्ले fucking wears pink frock and maid ka bandi sing fabulous, gets 11 years, and then from 11 years old he took those people, kept on evolving with them all together and went up there. Bro, now you're so attached with him.
This is just
that bhenchod kyunki 11
compound interest है simple.
Yeah. Thank you. Yes, exactly.
Simple compound interest. It's 11 years, bro. हर साल 8% पे grow कर रहा है ना, तो eventually बहुत हज़ारों % पे grow कर रहा है. It's like that.
और वो अब तुम तो वो बच्चों का बाप बन चुका है, लिटरली बाप बन चुका है वो, क्योंकि 11 साल से बच्चे देख रहे हैं, अब बहनचो 21 साल के हो गए.
Bro, there is a reason Warren Buffett is the richest man in the world, or at least was, because he's been investing since he was 11 and he's 90 now. There is 80 years. और जो लास्ट के 2 साल है ना कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट के, वो सबसे मोटे हैं. समझ रहे हैं मेरी बात को? So it sort of is like, I think success operates on compounded advantage. Every day you make a small step, it's 1%, but then 1% of 1% is 1.1. मतलब 101, समझ रहा है ना? You understand 1% of 1% plus 1% is 1%. And this keeps growing. So you need to make that step. It's consistency. It's compound advantage. It's never हो गया. Then once you've been doing compound advantage, you get moments where you make enough money, rest for 2 years, make enough money, rest for. Then you can get those, like whatever form of working you prefer. Every month I make money, whatever. Then, but उससे पहले तक, up until you are skilled enough, until you are the best at what you do, it's only compound advantage for very long with incredible amount of courage and zid.
It's very good that you brought up that.
Oh, yeah.
Because you're talking about you work for this number of years, you take a break and you do something else, and you go back again and you do something else. We wanted to talk about balance. How do you maintain? How does Prakhar maintain his work-life balance?
There is none.
There is none for you.
There is
because you don't feel like it's work.
Partly, not entirely, but also because I'm extremely passionate and obsessive.
Same.
I'm just crazy.
But isn't that unhealthy to some certain extent?
Yeah, matlab I recently learned that there is the massive advantage to taking a break. But you have to also understand, when I started, I was also in the pressure ki bro, if I'm going to spend money on my team, I need to make money. So I did this marathon stretch for the last 6-7 months. I got to this place where I could finally take a break. I took that break and I came back brilliant. Plus bro, तुम समझ नहीं रहे हो, मैं काम इसलिए करता हूँ ताकि मैं आराम कर सकूँ. Point being,
पर तो तू
सुन तो कि मतलब मैं YouTube इसलिए करता हूँ ताकि मेरे को 2 बजे सोना है तो मैं सो जाऊँ जाके. तो मैं सारा टाइम चिल ही करता हूँ, और ये मेरा चिल ही है. तो मेरे को कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. I never get tired doing this. And so, और plus with social life being already on the low down, social life कुछ है नहीं. तो कोई इंसेंटिव, प्लस जो मेरा ग्रैंड सोशल लाइफ का सपना है ना, वो पूरा हो. ब्रो मतलब आई डोंट थिंक आई हैव एवर स्पोकन अबाउट दिस, बट इन कोलंबिया आई वाज एक्सट्रीमली लाइक आउट देयर. आई वाज विद फ्रेंड्स विद एवरीबडी. There were enough invitations to a social occasion where there is no more need for validation. And I was spending my time there still because I did not want to be alone. Now when I did get alone, I loved it. And I don't crave all that society anymore. Apart from that, my family background is very much like कर्म योग काम, मतलब बिल्कुल काम को लेके दीवाने हैं, समझ रहा है. My mom doesn't live at home. She's in Chandigarh for the most part. My dad's doing his shit for the most part. They're all working. So like there isn't any way that sort of a thing. Plus the whole point of doing this and not doing a 9 to 5 is so that I can have my freedom. Right. So I don't need like a work life. The only thing I miss in this life right now, in this life of like giving is being able to absorb again. So I want to go back to absorbing.
You're reading books
and where is
listening
that?
to podcasts.
Colombia. Yeah, I mean I go back to Colombia. I have enough time to like study peacefully, na. Then I go back to my books and I go back to my like podcasts and I go back to my papers and writing and whatnot. I miss that part. That was great. That was fantastic. Like there is no, I would, in a way, if you told me I could have one more day of that life that I left at Colombia 6, 8, 9, 10 months ago, versus a life of 6, 8, 9, 10 months forward when I'm really like 1 million or whatever, like 500,000, 200,000, 300,000, and I'm popular and I'm making all that money and whatnot, I'd go there. By a mile, I'd go there. Like that's not even a question in my head that I'd go there.
Okay, so what he said is very interesting to me because this work is what I live for. ठीक है, अगर मैं I get up, when I don't have my monitor, everybody who is still listening, बहनचोद पता नहीं तुम्हारी ज़िंदगी है कि नहीं, अगर तुम अभी भी सुन रहे हो, पर अगर तुम सुन रहे हो तो भाइयों मॉनिटर नहीं है पापा के पास तो पापा और ना लैपटॉप है, क्योंकि ये लैपटॉप मेरे बड़े भाई का और मेरे बड़े भाई यूज़ करते हैं क्योंकि उनका जॉब रहता है. तो हम यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक, उस रूम से इस एज से उस एज तक वॉक करते हैं. एंड आई एम वॉकिंग ऑब्सेसिवली थिंकिंग हाउ आई कैन मेक माई वीडियो बेटर, हाउ आई कैन राइट दिस नेक्स्ट स्क्रिप्ट, हाउ आई कैन मेक द ऑडियंस स्टे, हाउ द फक कैन आई बीट द एल्गोरिदम इन इट्स ओन गेम, हाउ कैन आई बी एट द टॉप. ठीक है, बट माई एज प्रखर सेड, लाइक फकिंग माई गोल इज नॉट टू जस्ट बिकम अ यूट्यूबर. एज फकिंग weird as this, like bhancho god complex tum log bolte ho, as god complex as it's gonna sound, my goal is to fucking establish such a company that fucking is one of the biggest companies in India, and वो इकोनॉमी स्टेबिलिटी उठा दी इंडिया की. इतनी बड़ी कंपनी चाहिए मुझे. भैंचो एक पॉइंट पे भैंचो वर्ल्ड पीस ले आऊँ मैं. ठीक है, ये हमारा तो गोल. बहुत ही, दिस इज माई गोलेस्ट ऑफ द गोल्स कि भैंचो जब मरने आए तो शायद ये कर पाए. ठीक है, but till then I live for the work. But sometimes it gets to a point where there is nobody else in my life. Not in like they are there for me, but not
You
in my
haven't
head.
seen them in days, in your head.
Yeah. You don't matter. You don't matter. My mother, my father, my girlfriend, my dog, my brother, my friends, none of you matter when I'm in that in that space. And sometimes it's good, but sometimes it lasts for so fucking long. Where it's like, yo, I have to physically pull myself back out that door. Like भोसड़ी के जाके माँ बाप से बात कर ले, मादर चोद बात नहीं की इतने समय से. You know that. So
मतलब
it's that's why I wanted to ask you.
ब्रो मैं तो बहुत टाइम से अकेला ही रह रहा था वहाँ पे भी ना, तो लोगों से बात होना सिर्फ all I was hanging out with the last few months I was in America was with my then girlfriend and my then roommate. These were the only two people. So I was sort of forced into isolation, and I'm very fine with it now. I used to be very anxious about being alone. Not too far long ago, 1-1.5 साल पहले, maybe 2 साल पहले. अब मेरे को घंटा नहीं फर्क पड़ता. I love it alone. Right?
पर मुझे भी फर्क नहीं पड़ता है.
Exactly, मुझे भी नहीं
like,
पड़ता. But sometimes, for example, प्रखर, like मैं तो बहुत समय से अकेले ही रहा हूँ और मुझे पसंद है वो. I really like it for some reason. And but जब मुझे घर से कॉल आ जाता है एक बार randomly, मैं not in touch, it just makes me realize कि अरे मैं उनसे सही में बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ काफ़ी समय से. In my comfort, in my own bubble, मैं तो अपने में खुश हूँ, but I'm not talking to these people who I have, like there's a stake, right?
Maybe this will help.
There as
Maybe
well.
this will help.
Huh?
Like I don't work for success. I work to make these people happy. I work to entertain them. है ना? So I have to come back and show it to them. तेरे को पता है आज मेरे पापा ने मेरे को ना मैं आज गया, सोच कोविड हो रखा है पापा को, ठीक है? मैं पापा के पास अभी शाम को गया, कहते सुनो मेरे को अपने पीजी रेडियो का लिंक भेजो और बताओ तुम उसमें क्या क्या सब्जेक्ट्स डिस्कस करते हो. नॉट दैट ही डज नॉट नो, ही जस्ट वांटेड मी टू बी स्पेसिफिक.
Right.
Because then he had to send it to 500-700 different people on his WhatsApp कि इसको फॉलो करो जाके. तू समझ रहा है? तो there is a huge excitement around my work at home, and not just at home, with my friends. And it is not because कि वो लोग interested हैं प्रखर क्या कर रहा है, oh my god what not, but it is because I do it for their entertainment. I'll walk home, be like आपको पता है आज मैंने क्या, समझ रहा है? Like I'll tell them that, and then they'll be interested in that. So the whole point is to entertain my friends. The whole point is to, in my head, I imagine a little boy going out, winning the race, coming back to his friends, being like, "Yes, I told you we'll do it. We'll do it, really." And I'm not even saying that to like grandstand or something. I understand how individually important things have been in the course of Prakhar becoming Prakhar. So it's all for them. This is a grand show for all of us to enjoy. मैं तो इसको इस तरीके से देखता हूँ. तो I automatically come back to my friends and my family. In fact, to my friends' displeasure. कि like, so this girl that I've been talking to, invariably we'll be talking at night and the conversation is going to touch upon work. And I hate doing that. I hate talking about work when I'm trying to like, you know, romance and flirt and like, or even like whatever, you know.
Yeah, right.
But it's because that's just such an important part of my life, and I'll be like, तेरे को मैं एक joke सुनाता हूँ, देख आज क्या हुआ, and then she'll get interested. So and plus, bro, by nature I'm a people's person. You can't pull me away.
Does that?
हाँ, बोल.
तो but तुझे ऐसा नहीं लगता कि you're making everything about yourself, because very similar situation.
यार, not really, because देख, when I'm done talking here, I don't want to talk to other people. I want to hear them talk.
Right.
So I'm mostly like, this is a very active transition I've seen in my life. I got so done with talking. I was like, तुम मेरे को बता दो. तो this girl would be telling me about, and I was just joking with her पहले. I was like, सुन तू मैं podcast करने जा रहा हूँ, +1 बन के आएगी. कहती क्या करना होता है +1 को? मैंने बोला वो बताएंगे.
You should have got it. You should have been serious. You would have loved it.
अबे इतना सीरियस मैं नहीं हूँ उसको लेके. तो मैं उसको ले रहा हूँ. मैं तो मजे ले रहा था उसके. भाई ये वाला पार्ट काट दियो भी. सुन लेगी बाद में.
नहीं Brian, keep it please.
ठीक है, अबे कोई नहीं, वो भी संभाल लेंगे. बट यार ये मैं क्यों बोल रहा हूँ, मैं अपने आप को मरवा रहा हूँ. मैं भूल गया, ये रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है. बट तो मैं उससे बात कर रहा था एंड तो शी बी लाइक, तो मैं बोलूँगा यार एक बात बता, कैसे होता है ये काम यहाँ पे, कैसे होता है?
ऐसे
She'll be
होता
like उसकी जॉब पे, and then she'll tell me all this stuff that is traditionally so boring about PowerPoints and Excel sheets and how things go from A to B and B to C and C to D.
Right.
And I'm fascinated by that, bro. क्योंकि मेरे को कोई कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं है, मेरे को पता ही नहीं कैसे होता है रेगुलर ऑफिसेज में. तू समझ रहा है? तो आई एम सो
एंड क्यूरियस तो अपना लौंडा है ही बहुत ज्यादा.
आई एम सो डन टॉकिंग. आई एम जस्ट लाइक बस मेरे को बताते रहो, कोई नई कहानी सुना दो यार.
राइट.
कोई नई कहानी सुना दो, कोई भी.
करेक्ट.
ठीक है. तो फिर it goes in a different direction where anyway people are listening to me about me, like that need is so deeply satisfied कि that doesn't happen. And in fact bro, here is another secret I'll tell you. You receive love in giving love. मैं बता रहा हूँ, it's not even like you give love and thus you receive love. The feeling of love comes when you give, when you're able to unconditionally give.
Right.
And so वो fulfillment जो है ना, जो तू ढूंढता है आदमी when they're trying to make something about themselves, is essentially attention and love. I have all of that in the world because I'm giving it to you. So that sort of helps as well. Like I used to be told I was arrogant and self-centered for so long. I haven't been told that in a very long time now.
Yeah. Except on the internet?
No, not even on the internet as much.
No.
I'm surprised. Like कभी-कभी बोल देते हैं लोग, जो सोचते होंगे वो बोलते नहीं होंगे, I'm sure. बट लाइक पर्सनली नोबडी इज बीन लाइक कि प्रखर तो सिर्फ अपनी इसके बारे में बात करता है. मेरे को ही फील होता रहता है यार मैं ज़्यादा तो नहीं बात कर रहा इस बारे में, तो मेरे फ्रेंड्स बोले चल कर.
नहीं
जैसे आई बी लाइक ब्रो, देख मैं तेरे को बताता हूँ, ठीक है? तू नमन, you met Naman yet or no? Naman is the guy who introduced me to your podcast. ठीक है? Naman is the guy who also called Pravachan for the first time. Same guy.
Okay.
तो I'll go see Naman early morning. Early morning is like 11 a.m. for me or 12. उसका काम खत्म होता है and we meet and we'll be talking. And I'll give him the lowdown on everything that happened on last night's live stream and how it was so hilarious. And then तो समझ रहा है? And I'll be like bro मैं तेरे को bother तो नहीं कर रहा, am I telling you a lot? कहता है bro नहीं बताता रहे. So my friends are also very welcoming like that.
हाँ.
Yeah.
And it's also because I have sat and heard some of their shit for the longest time.
Right.
Hours upon hours. तो उस sense में कोई problem नहीं होती. I haven't run into that problem yet. I haven't been told, and my work's not boring. So like people don't tell me, oh, you know, ये तो मतलब ठीक है, this is your basic 9 to 5. They're like, अरे फिर क्या हुआ? They're fascinated. Most of my friends from back in India, not my close friends, but my 8 degree separated friends, are very fascinated. What does it look like now? I'm like, it looks like the same. If I go poop, I poop. If I go pee, I pee. It's not any different. Yeah. So there is that too. There's a combination of things that sort of. In fact, if anything, I stopped talking about my shit a lot more over the last 6-7 months. Like I said, I just stopped talking about my shit to people because I did not feel the need anymore. I was happy processing it by myself, and I had nobody for the longest time.
Processing it by yourself, via Prakhar ke pravachan.
No. Just being by myself. Like यार बीच में ना, I was starved when I started Prakhar ke pravachan. A few months into it, I was starved of social company because I had a roommate. Right. And my roommate has only, जो मेरा then roommate था, very close friend of mine, like a brother. Right. He has the emotional depth of a broken rock. Like there's none. That guy has none. है ही नहीं, है वो. He's the funniest guy I know. He will make you, मतलब वो इतना हंसाएगा कि तुम मर जाओगे हंस के. He's the best person to hang out with, but emotional depth zero है.
Sure.
Not possible. ठीक है? मतलब मैं उससे जब बोलूँगा ना कि bro ये पता क्या बोलेगा? Just love bro, और ऐसी कुछ बकवास मतलब घटिया ironical सी cringy बात करके बस बकचोदी है. Then there was my then girlfriend and we were also going through a lot of shit.
Right.
So she was my only friend for a while. सब लोग अपने घर चले गए थे. Everybody was not meeting everybody, COVID and whatnot. Yeah. Plus we were not talking. Yeah. So I was by myself and I could not explain to my parents or anybody here what was happening to me there. That forced me to be alone. That forced me to become okay. And then I started, क्योंकि when you talk about yourself, what you're trying to do is process your reality. Because you don't know what to think of it.
Talk, right.
Right, exactly.
Any
what you're
form
doing
of expression.
is, ये हुआ, new version of what happened. ये हुआ, and then you're trying to find what fits. Then I could do it by myself a lot more. Meditation helped a lot with that.
यार मेडिटेट करता था ना मैं, तो मेरा तो लंट खड़ा हो जाता था बहन चो बार.
भाई तेरे को बताऊं 10 दिन मुट्ठी मारनी होती विपासना में, दिमाग खराब हो गया. ऐसी लौंडियों के सपने आने लगे, मैं तेरे को बता भी नहीं सकता. मैं कह रहा हूँ ये मेरे सपने में हॉट है.
थोड़ा विपासना के बारे में बता.
हाँ yes.
No, I want to also know विपासना के बारे में थोड़ा शॉर्ट में बता.
विपासना के बारे में शॉर्ट में बताऊं. 10 दिन you have no entertainment. You're not looking at anything. You're walking with your eyes down. You're not listening to anything. You're not writing. You're not reading. You can only sleep so much trust me, you will hate sleep after you realize that when you sleep, it feels like you slept for 4 hours, but it was just 30 minutes. And now you have another 11 and a half hours of meditation to go through, right? So you just meditate. I think it's a good 8-10 hours a day. You meditate in sets. It is not as bad as it sounds. It sounds very bad. To do it is pretty nice and easy. As a matter of fact, it's not that difficult because you just have to sit. Nobody's checking if you're meditating. Learn. You will automatically get so frustrated. You will learn how to meditate.
You can't do anything else.
No.
I can't touch the computer. I can't
No phone,
draw
no
something,
computer.
write
There's
something.
No computer. None of that.
For 10 days.
You can't speak.
So no productivity for 10 days.
No, you can't speak. You can't hear. There's nobody talking to you.
खाना
मिलता है, घंटी बजती है 3 बार. So you get breakfast at like 6. After the first 2 hours of meditation from 4 to 6, you get breakfast. Vegetarian, no matter what part of the world, very bland. Then not very bland, it's kind of good, it's not bad, at least where I was. फिर 1 घंटे बाद फिर मेडिटेशन चालू होती है 12 बजे के आसपास लंच. फिर 3-4 घंटे बाद यू गेट टी एंड फ्रूट्स 6 बजे के आसपास. बट इफ यू डन इट वंस यू कैन नॉट हैव द थर्ड मील. देन यू जस्ट हैव टू हैव द फर्स्ट 2, 6 and 12. आई थिंक इट्स 6 and 11. And then
ये घर पे करते हैं कि कहीं कोई
मतलब the centers all around the world.
Wow.
So all around the world. You just Google, you'll find one. It's great for the mind. It's like it's nourishment for your fucking personhood, bro. It's so good. It's unreal. You love it. You'll hate it while you're doing it, but you'll love it as soon as you're out because you'll see the difference. Bhai, when I had done it, I was driving back to Chicago from Menominee, Wisconsin. So this was like 6 hours from Chicago. 2 different, one car ride, one bus ride. So मैं car ride में हूँ and I'm having some of the most deepest realizations of my life because I was on this trail of productivity, right? I had this idea that I'm going to grow up and I'm going to do something huge and big, and it wasn't just that. It was like I'm not getting there yet. You know, like I had a huge sense of self, all that stuff, right? And then I was talking to these guys who were driving me back from Menominee to Madison, Wisconsin, and one of them was an Indian guy, South Indian. The other was an Italian, Hispanic, one or the other, right?
Right.
And मैं उन्हें बोल रहा हूँ, this is my insecurity, this, that. I was talking to them about it, telling them very honestly, and these guys are like, bro, what are you saying? You're in Colombia, and you have this great thing going on with PG Radio. Back then there was no pravachan.
Right.
And why are you worried? Like, what the fuck? And I'm like, bro, ये लोग क्या समझेंगे? इनके तो सपने छोटे हैं सालों के.
हाँ.
In my head.
हाँ.
Right. And so even right after it, there wasn't like this point of sheer understanding. It wasn't like this clarity aa gayi. But I remember thinking that to myself. And this was right when they were boarding me on the bus. So I couldn't even respond and carry the conversation forward.
Right.
मैं बस में बैठता हूँ and I meditate straight for like 3 or 4 hours. Because I can. Not just that, I think I meditate for like 1.5, 2, and then I start calling up people I need to call and say things that I need to say. Like I remember right after Vipassana, right the minute I was done with Vipassana, and I'd been thinking about it for so long, what the fuck do I do when I can speak again? When I can hold my phone again? Throughout the 10 days I was thinking, and I called my dad first and I said, listen, I've never said it. You know it, but I've never said it, and I have to, that I love you. And then I did that to my mother. And it's not like one of those, it would never come out of my fucking mouth before. And it happened right after. Then I called up my friends, some of them who I was fighting with. Like Vinamra and I have always had a tense equation. One way or the other, we find a way to disagree. Right? So I called him up, and then there was a heartfelt conversation there. I called Hardik up. There was a heartfelt conversation there to the extent where that conversation would blow. Like I was just not. Nobody should be ready. It was a tough conversation, right? Or हम बहुत अच्छे दोस्त हैं. Like we're really close friends, all of us.
Right.
Then I get to Chicago. I get off, and I see this guy who's homeless. मेरे पास आता है. He's asking for money. He has to go somewhere. He's asking for a lot. He's asking for $20. $20 is a lot of money. You don't give street urchins that kind of stuff.
Right.
And I had no cash, but I was so content. Weirdly, I walked with this guy for a while. I took him to an ATM. I told him, listen, here is the money. Don't buy alcohol. Don't buy heroin. Don't do that shit. Go to your family. And if you have no family to go to, I wrote down the address of the Vipassana center. I was like, go here. Like that is the level of just centered. Kyunki bro, with homeless people in places like Chicago and New York, dangerous, man. You don't want to fuck with them. If they say you have money, if you're going inside the ATM,
right.
you don't want that, bro. You don't want that. But, and it's not even like I could have given him 5, I could have given him 2. I gave him 20. I was like, go get a ticket. Go to your family. Okay? And Like it was bloody great in that sense. It was I came back an entirely different person. My friends would say, and I've lost that sense. Like, I'm not going to lie. My friends tell me this. I don't know for sure. I feel fine, but my friends tell me that stability, that sense of like calmness on your face is missing now. It's back to that over enthusiastic, like just this piercingly smart. Like, samajh raha hai? Like it's again aggressive. It stopped being aggressive.
They tell you this when? All
the time. My friends don't hold back. But like,
no.
Oh yeah.
After the Vipassana, this is what they told you?
No. Now they tell me that. Right after they saw it on my face, bro. All these friends, they saw it on my face. They were like, कुछ तो विनम्र इसीलिए एकदम sign up किया और फिर चला गया. And then you can ask Vinamr, he'll tell you the same story. I remember speaking to him.
He was in Boston at that time.
No, he was back here. वो बिहार में गया था करने. बोध गया. OG.
Okay.
फिर हम जब बात करें ना, उसका खत्म हुआ, हमने उससे बात करी, हम दोनों ने we talked to each other, and you could see like there's a difference on his face. Like he was just calm. He was just so fucking relaxed with himself. He came back different, not as fragile anymore.
Right.
Because you have to contend with some of the shit you need to contend with. You have to go silent for a while.
You've sold me on the idea of this. I recently went vegetarian as well. अभी कुछ 2 महीने पहले होगा तो shit as well.
तेरी girlfriend ने बोला?
Like,
तेरी girlfriend ने बोला ना?
No, my girlfriend is non-veg. My girlfriend is like fucking.
With my girlfriend it's all
chicken
non-veg.
10 times a day.
अच्छा.
I'm sure she does not.
Yeah.
Okay.
अरे हम थे यार वेजिटेरियन.
Okay.
हमको तो ये साला क्या कहते हैं मुंबई के पानी ने बिगाड़ा है.
अच्छा. ब्रो तू जा तो और तू मेरे को बताएगा ना, फिर आके तू बोलेगा भाई.
I think ओके से पहले तो मैं चला जाऊंगा before even.
अबे भाई कट लो अभी.
इसके बाद
मैं बता दूंगा dhamma.org, dhamma.org, you can find everything there. Dhammagiri near Mumbai is the biggest pagoda Vipassana का.
अच्छा.
I just fucking go there man. आ जाओ ए लड़के, आ जा मुंबई.
तेरे साथ करूंगा Vipassana में साले.
You don't even go with friends. You don't even go with friends. There is like क्योंकि तू समझ रहा है होगा क्या? तू अपने दोस्त को देखेगा, तेरे दिमाग में ऑक्सीटोसिन निकलेगा, तू बोलेगा अच्छा लग रहा है. नहीं लगाना अच्छा. This is the deepest sense of dopamine detox you'll ever find. कच्छू से भाई पता है मेरे को ना, हार्दिक had done it before. तो मैं हार्दिक के घर ही था before I'd gone to Vipassana. कह रहा भाई तेरा ना वहाँ पे एक फेवरेट पत्ता होगा. मैंने बोला फेवरेट पत्ता? कहता भाई एक पत्ता होगा एक पेड़ पे, तो उसको रोज देखेगा. और भाई था, और उस पत्ते पे ना कुछ था, मेरे को लगता था वो मकड़ी का अंडा है, और मैं देखता था मकड़ी इसमें से कब निकलेगी, और मैं रोज 3 बार उस जगह जाता था, पत्ते को देखता रहता था. समझ रहा है इतना तू इस लेवल पे. भाई मैं डे 5 सुबह की मेडिटेशन 4 बजे, अंधेरा ही था. तो ऐसा होता है ब्रो, सुबह ना एक कोई आएगा ओल्ड स्टूडेंट जो रिपीट कर रहा है, ठीक है, वो आएगा सुबह 4 बजे टंग, और वो गोंग वाली आवाज, समझ रहा है, गोंग. और माँ की भाई मेरे को बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद कोई मेरे को सोते हुए उठाए. डू नॉट. मैं रोज सुबह उठता रहा, मुंह से गाली निकलती थी, भैंड चोद फिर आ गया ये. तो मैंने हैक बनाया, मैंने बोला कि 4 बजे उठाने आएगा, मैं 3:30 पहले से उठाऊंगा और बाहर बैठाऊंगा, कर ले जो करना है तेरे को, ठीक है. वो 4 बजे उठाएगा, उसके बाद तो मेडिटेट करोगे 2 घंटा, देन यू कम बैक, एंड तब तक रोशनी हो जाती है सॉर्ट ऑफ 6 बजे के आसपास. फिर उसके बाद यू ईट, यू गो बैक, मेडिटेट, यू कम बैक एट 9 और समथिंग, और उस टाइम पूरी रोशनी हो जाती है. दिस वन डे 5 आई कम आउट एट 9 एंड आई लुक एट द ग्रास एंड आई कैन सी द ग्रास क्लियरर. मेरा दिमाग फ्लिप हो गया.
Man, it sounds like a very like calmer version of a Kodai trip. That's what it sounds like.
अरे मेरे को कौन सी वाइब दे रही है मालूम? मेरे को सेक्रेड गेम्स की वाइब दे रही है. वो एंड में वो देख हाँ वो साला सफेद पहन के बैठ जाते हैं ना. मेरे को वो वाइब आ रही है भाई की सफेद. So where do you sleep? You sleep in their
it depends on what kind of provision they have, but there's a separate room, there's a separate or dorm or room or one of the other for men and separate for women. But like you sleep in separate quarters from each other. You don't sleep in the same quarters. You don't talk to each other.
You don't even see them, women.
You see them, but you're not supposed to make eye contact. You look down.
Wait, you can't make eye contact with anybody?
No, that's the thing. You look down and वैसे walk करते हो.
No, you're supposed to. You inevitably will make eye contact. वो तो natural course में, but yes, you're supposed to not.
Right. Like even make a random eye contact with a woman at that point of time, I can understand like what
you will never, because it's separated quarters.
Oh, separate quarters. You'll never make eye contact.
No, because they don't want no sexual feeling, because that's going to entertain.
Right. That is what's going to happen in the first place anyway. Right.
It's going to entertain.
Yeah, सबसे पहले बहन चो ये तो, but that's what he was saying ना, ऐसी बंदियां मुझे हॉट लगने लगी थी पहले 10 दिन माचुद की.
भाई मैं कह रहा हूँ भाई यार ये भी मेरे सपने में आ रही है, ये क्या सीन है?
Oh, is that why? अच्छा ठीक है. Never mind.
You're not allowed to jack off. You're not allowed to touch yourself. you're not allowed to kill something, you're not allowed to, there's 5 precepts they have, there's 5 promises they make you do. उसके अलावा तुम्हें जो करना है करो, तुम्हारा वॉलंटरी है. ये 5 promises तुम्हारा बेस बाइन है. उसके बाद बाकी तुम खुद करोगे क्योंकि तुम आए क्यों वहाँ पे. फ्री है, there's no money involved, you don't pay shit, it's free. It's absolutely free. You walk in there, you're there, you came in here voluntarily, consciously wanting to do this. अब ये तीसरे दिन मना क्यों कर रहा है तू खुद से? क्या हो रहा है? दर्द हो रहा है? क्यों हो रहा है? बैठा ही तो है, क्यों हो रहा है दर्द? क्या है? क्या प्रॉब्लम है? क्यों नहीं बैठा जा रहा है फॉर देम? दिस क्वेश्चन विल हॉन्ट यू फॉर 10 days and you'll find answers when you try to look for them. That is why Vipassana works. It's beautiful, bro. Beautiful. मैं तो I met somebody afterwards. I think last October, साल हो गया, something like that. I met this gentleman, Cory Muscara, meditation coach in America.
Right.
He spent 6.5 months being silent, some part of Cambodia or some shit. 6.5 months silent at 23. मैं तो I just want to push silence. मतलब if COVID had not happened, I'd have gone done another round by now. But next time I want to do 20 days. See what that does. फिर पुश करते रहो. तो भाई अपना पर्सनल वेकेशन है. लोग वेकेशन जाते हैं ताकि उनको आराम रिसीव हो. जा कर ले, कुछ नहीं करना. प्लस तुम्हारे दिमाग की फैंटेसी बज रही है सारा टाइम, तो तुम हो कहीं और ही, वो भी पूरा हो जाता है.
Wow, यार, and you the perception of Prakhar के प्रवचन, say Prakhar Gupta is a very social person. कैसे कर लिया तूने 10 दिन?
ब्रो मेरे को नहीं पता, मेरी पता कितनी फटी हुई थी. तू आज भी जाएगा ना, I have an episode out on this on my PG radio thing. You can go listen to it. One day before Vipassana, I'm hanging out in Madison, this god awful fucking place that I was living in Madison, एक रात के लिए. It was good place, guys living in there were very good, but मैं Airbnb type situation में था. And I'm walking around, I have a whole audio recording this. I'm super scared. I don't know if I'll be able to do this. Like it's like a memoir. एक दिन पहले का. And then it's a crazy ride that you need to see for yourself because it's personal. मैं तेरे को अपनी story सुना दूंगा. They'll sound fascinating and whatnot. I've done it on a few occasions too. But bro, I got so crazy. Inside. So deeply crazy inside. I had these epiphanies, like 5 or 10, and I had to write them down somewhere because I'd forget them.
You couldn't.
You're not supposed to, and there is no pen and paper. So what the fuck will you write?
Oh no, that would.
And ये भी देख एक चुल है ना. This is also your mind trying to distract you. When it can be in the present, why do you need those epiphanies? You figured it out, like it's integrated in you. Why do you need them? Why do you need to write it down? Write it down 2 days from now. What is the rush? Why? And these are the questions you're answering. So I know what I did. I broke the rules. I'm not proud of it. I felt shame afterwards. I know clearly what shame feels like after that. It isn't like I can tell you it feels in my stomach. There is something that happens in my stomach when I feel shame. But here's what I did. मैंने टॉयलेट पेपर उखाड़ा और वहाँ पे मार्कर्स पड़े थे. मैंने मार्कर्स और टॉयलेट पेपर से वो चीज़ें लिख ली. और फिर मैंने जो कपड़े सुखाने वाली क्लिप्स होती है ना, उससे अपने रूम, जो हमारा रूम क्या था डॉर्मेटरी में, देयर वर बेडशीट्स सेपरेटिंग, बेडशीट्स की वॉल बना रखी थी.
राइट.
उस पर चिपका दी ताकि मैं जब भी अंदर घुसूँ मैं वो देख सकूँ. एंड लाइक 10 days आफ्टर कमिंग आउटसाइड दे वर ऑल स्टूपिड थिंग्स बिकॉज यू नो. बट लाइक आई जस्ट रिमेंबर गोइंग थ्रू दैट. और फिर मेरे को दिमाग में एक खुराफात आई. मैंने पता क्या किया ब्रो, फक. मैंने एक टॉयलेट पेपर के पीस पे लिखा, आदित्य, जो एक इंडियन लड़का मेरे साथ है, बोला आदित्य, यू हैव बीन मेडिटेटिंग very consistently. You can now jack off. नीचे गोयनका का नाम लिख दिया. गोयनका जो मरा हुआ टीचर है, इसकी वीडियोस प्ले होती हैं डिस्कोर्स के लिए, और उसके बेड में जाके रख दिया. ठीक है
यार. प्रखर,
भाई 8 दिन से कहीं किसी ने बात नहीं की.
Why does it feel like I have heard this story before? Either you have told this story somewhere else.
I possibly have.
I've तूने PG रेडियो में ये बोल रखा है. I don't know.
हो सकता है bro, because I would वो मैं बाहर खड़ा हूँ ऐसे, मैं वेट कर रहा हूँ बाहर आएगा, anticipating he'll come out and we'll all laugh. So like it was kind of like that. It's pretty fun, very fun. I miss it. Wow. You make incredible bonds. It makes for great stories. You learn a lot. Like हर तुम्हारे दिमाग में हर बंदे की एक इमेज होगी, ये बंदा ये है, and then you speak to them 10 days after and realize how stupid and how wrong you were because you've imagined their voice in your head. You've never heard it before.
Right.
And that's when you realize projection and all of that very clearly if you're looking at it.
Right. Wow. Have you? You haven't stopped, right? So one question before we close off. Prakhar, are you a fan of Batman?
Well, I don't care. I kind of like Batman. I like the Dark Knight wali trilogy a lot. Like I grew up on it.
अच्छा.
But I'm not like one of those superhero fans जो होते हैं ना life में से Avengers, DC, this that shit, and then they like.
No, you're
I've
not.
never seen any of it. I stopped seeing Batman after the last war Rises वाली जो Dark Knight Rises के बाद.
Right.
So like I have not consumed pop culture for a very long time.
Why
I
is
just think it looks good.
Okay.
But I have a great story attached to this T-shirt if you want me to tell you.
Tell us.
No,
Why not?
सोच लो तुम्हारा podcast है मैं तुझे force नहीं कर रहा.
What?
Bro,
tell
so
us.
you know like I have a broken finger. You guys know
No.
that?
No.
No.
So like
What?
this is it. So like this finger does not go in. I have no
Huh.
I have nothing here,
okay.
right? So this was like
Okay.
2017. I had just gone to America. मैं वापस आया था अभी मेरे भैया की शादी थी और मैं
हाँ.
आया जिस दिन उस रात को
Right.
पार्टी करने चला गया obviously क्योंकि प्रखर ठीक है मैं भाई I was
Right.
like a
Right.
big time into like night life back then. तो हम
Right.
पार्टी वार्टी करने गए and I was this girl that I was kind of sort of hooking up with,
हाँ.
right? And then there were other friends too. So हम लोग जल्दी डिप करते हैं बाहर से. We run out. We go to her place and we're hooking up. But she doesn't want her friends to know for whatever
Right.
reason. I don't care.
Yeah.
Suddenly उसके friends और मेरे friends सब उसके apartment आ जाते हैं. They start knocking.
हाँ.
And I'm like, I'm not wearing any clothes,
हाँ.
right? And she's not wearing any clothes.
हाँ.
And कुछ जल्दी में, what happens is I'm just wearing a jacket. I can't
Right.
find my t-shirt. I'm just wearing my jacket.
Right.
And she opens the door. Everybody's like, क्या कर रहे थे? This, that, all that fucking nonsense.
Hmm.
And then it's somebody's birthday.
हाँ.
So we're all playing. Everybody's playing and तो कोई मेरे को बोलता है अरे bra पहन के दिखा. I'm wearing a bra after some and we're all just dancing, playing, all that
Yeah.
good stuff. There's photos
Yeah.
available on my Instagram for this. फिर ना my friend's hiding in a bathroom and I'm trying to knock it open and he's not
हाँ.
coming out. And I have my hand on like bro I still remember it's trauma. On the shisha. I push it, मेरा हाथ crashes through and I just cut my hand. I blunder the shit out of my hand. The whole thing's destroyed.
Fuck.
ठीक है? And it's bleeding like crazy. Everybody gets freaked out. Everybody, like except me for some weird reason, everybody else is panicking the shit. And I'm like बहन चोद मेरे को टी-शर्ट दो मैं ब्रा पहन के थोड़ी जाऊंगा हॉस्पिटल. ठीक है मैं कह रहा हूँ मैं ये पहन के थोड़ी जाऊंगा हॉस्पिटल. And then everybody's looking. Somebody finds this and they give it to me. And this is what I go to the
Wow.
hospital in. And ब्रो तो रात को स्टिच करते हैं कहते हैं कल ना टेस्ट करा लेना चेक करा लेना कोई वो टेंडन ना टूट गया. मैं घर आता हूँ ब्रो घर पे नहीं बताना इसी. दिस इज अर्ली डेज आई कांट टेल माई फैमिली. तो मैं अपना हाथ भाई उसमें छुपा के रजाई में सो जाता हूँ. मैं सुबह उठता हूँ और भाई दर्द इतना गलत दर्द. 4-5-7 दिन टॉलरेट करता हूँ. डॉक्टर के पास जाता हूँ. टर्न्स आउट आई हैव अ टेंडन that cannot move my finger. He fixes the tendon but it's still pretty bad. But since then I've had this shirt and I wear it very proudly. This is my first scar.
His first car is the Batman shirt.
2017.
3 years now.
Wow.
बहुत भाई आज भी मेरे को कांच से डर लगता है. ट्रॉमा fuck crazy.
Wow.
People don't understand what fucking कांच can do to you, bro. It's just like one cut.
Prakhar is like a pimp for stories. He
I have
collects
good stories.
stories. I
like good storytellers.
I have good stories.
I
He
like
collects
good
stories from people. He has his
Bro,
own stories and then he segregates it. But okay, we're gonna close it off. I think. Thank you so much, everyone who watched this podcast. You managed to watch. I'm not sure if this is the second episode or the first, but yeah.
It's gonna. Do you think it's gonna be divided?
I think we'll be dividing it into 2 parts. Yeah.
Fucking
Bro,
Fuck
we can
yeah.
do one more whenever,
Fuck.
man. If you don't like this one, feel free to.
Yeah,
let me know.
Prakhar is now gonna be a regular, guys. He's gonna be a regular on this podcast.
Happily. Whenever you want Gyan wisdom,
It's
na,
gonna be regular on fucking the channel, man. You guys like, yeah.
So that was Prakhar Gupta for you guys. Anything else you would like to say? Closing statements, Prakhar, please.
Yeah.
डर का सामना
Promote your
करो.
shit.
डर का-
Promote your
मेरा-
shit. Roast
bro,
us.
listen.
I don't know. Anything you want, man.
Listen, no. I think you guys are great. I think I had a good time. I think we went in several directions that I've never really gone on podcast before. So I'm very happy for that. It's always interesting exploring my own mind through the lens of people smarter than myself. I've had a tremendous time. Let's do this again super soon. बाकी तुम दोनों गांडू छक्के हो ये मैं तुम्हें SMS कर दूंगा बाद में. ठीक है.
Brian, keep
हाँ यार करते रहो. Please keep doing this. Like this is entertaining as hell. This is great stuff.
Okay, great then.
ये जो तूने अभी बोला ना तुम लोग गांडू छक्के
ये तो
हो, ये
पक्का-
भैंचो मैं हुक यूज करूंगा.
ये तो स्टार्टिंग में
जाएगा
hook use करेंगे इसको तो देख. But anyways, thank you so much guys for watching. We will see you guys in the next one. Bye.